So I'm going to show you how to install a tower cooler like one of these on your motherboard. Basically what you're going to need is the cooler itself, the supplied backplate and brackets that came in the pack with all the mounting hardware for the corresponding socket that you have, clips that came in the box, and a fan if you choose to use the one that came in the box. So this is a MSI Z490 motherboard, which is LGA 1200 with a i5-10500 installed. So LGA 1200, so what you're going to do is I'm going to take these sticky pads off and pop them to the side. It doesn't matter which way around it goes, as long as you've got it upright, not sideways, either way upright. So pop that in the back, lay it down flat. Right then, so we are LGA 1200. So for this one it's the back spacers. And then we use the bolts from LGA 1700. So washers on each of the posts, like so. And then check the orientation that these go round. A and D I think uses a different hole, I'm not sure. So basically pop them where the holes align and pop in your screws. Grab your screwdriver, tighten them up, but I leave them about a quarter of a turn loose, just to centre the core up when you're trying to get it on. Sometimes if you've got it slightly wonky, it won't line up properly. So I find it best to leave these just a slight bit of slack, just so you can drag them centre and then tighten them up. And then you can either use the thermal paste that came in the pack, or, like me, get yourself a tube of thermal grizzly that I prefer. I use this for CPUs and GPUs. And basically, it's got a pre-applied splodger. Squeeze it on, give it a spread. This looks really good, it goes on like Tipex. Get a nice spread all over the die. I like to put an extra little dot in the middle, just so it spreads when you're going to rub too much thermal paste. Really important step, remove the peel. Otherwise, you're not going to get the thermal transfer that you need. You'll find thermal throttling will happen, CPUs up to 100 degrees. So line it up the best you can. Start screwing on one side, line the other side up, tighten each corner up, going from opposites to opposites. Just to make sure it's really got it, make sure you hand it evenly, and then start each side. I usually go, say, 5 turns one side, 5 turns the other side, and swap. Because these are spring-loaded screws, you can just go until they're tight, and the springs will level out the pressure. You've not got to torque them up or anything. Makes it nice and easy. Quick and easy to install. That one's tight. That one is now also tight. So then, grab your fan, hook your clips through the holes, like so. Do the other side. Try and get it as level as you can. Stretch across, and then 4-pin into the 4-pin header on the motherboard, which you can't see through the camera. That goes straight into the socket there, and then you've got an RGB, 3-pin ARGB plug, and then pop the female end into the motherboard, which on this one is over here. bit fiddly. Take your time, don't bend the pins.